units of mass, length, and capacity can be added like any other addition, as long as the units match. So let's look at these three examples here that I have written on the board of units with addition, and in each of these examples the units match. So we have 2 liters plus 1 liter equals 3 liters. And so we just do the addition like normal addition. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 cups plus 2 cups equals 5 cups. Both of these are in units of cups, and therefore the answer is stated in units of cups, and it's the simple addition of 3 plus 2 equals 5. In this one I have 200 meters, and then my second number here is also in meters. So my units match, and 200 meters plus 120 meters equals 320 meters. So you can see that in each of these problems, the addition is similar to any other addition that you have learned so far. And this is because the units of both numbers are the same. Addition of units gets a little bit more difficult when you are adding numbers with different units. So, for example, 1 kilogram cannot be added to 2 grams without converting one or the other so that the units match. When you are adding 2 units, make sure you convert all of them to 1 unit, and it can be any of the units in your addition problem. If you are adding 3 numbers with 3 different units, be sure you convert all 3 of them to 1 unit, and again, it can be any of the units in the addition problem. So, for example, if you look at this problem here, you can see that I have 3 kilograms, and they're wanting me to add 300 grams to that, and add another 200 milligrams. And what would the answer be? Well, you can add these numbers together, but you have to make sure that before you do the adding of your 3 parts, you convert all of them to 1 unit. So you can convert them all to kilograms, or I guess I would say you could keep this one in kilograms and convert these 2 to kilograms, and then your answer would be in kilograms. Or you could convert these 2 to grams so that all 3 of them are in terms of grams, and then you would add them together and your answer would be given in grams. Similarly, you could even convert these 2 to milligrams and have all 3 of them in milligrams, and then you would add them together and your answer would be in milligrams. Let's take a look at a real-life example. Our problem says Bob drives 75 kilometers on Monday and 2,500 meters on Tuesday. How many meters does he travel in these 2 days? So we are asked to add 75 kilometers plus 2,500 meters. So this is what our problem is asking us to do in terms of adding 2 units of measurement together. However, we can see right away that the 2 different numbers are given using 2 different units of measuring length or distance. And so, since the answer asks us to give the answer in, or the question asks us to give our answer in meters, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the 75 kilometers to meters. So I want to focus in here on the 75 kilometers. Now, in the metric system, the prefix of kilo, K-I-L-O, indicates 1,000. And so what we have is 1 kilometer, or kilometer, is equal to 1,000 meters. And so when here we have 75 kilometers, we can take the 75 and multiply that times 1,000. So we have 75 times 1,000 meters plus 2,500 meters. And so this 75 times 1,000 meters is equal to 75 kilometers. And so I have 75,000 meters plus 2,500 meters. So this is what my problem becomes, and now I have both of them in meters. So when I see 75 kilometers, I can right away think times 1,000, that's how many meters it is. 75 kilometers is equal to 75,000 meters. And now that I have my two numbers in the same units, meters, I can simply add them together. So I just need to add 75,000 plus 2,500 to get 77,500 meters. And I'll put a nice box around that because I can see here that my question is how many meters, so I've got my answers in meters, does he travel in these 2 days? 75 kilometers plus 2,500 meters equals 77,500 meters.